So now let's start working on comments. So here I'm going to add a comment here, create a comment. It is going to be a post request. So router dot post, and our route is going to be /API /posts /comment and our post ID. So it is going to be inside params and the middleware and request and response. So here inside the try catch block, again if there is any error, so we are going to receive the post ID inside request.params, and we are going to receive text inside request.body. So here we are going to check if text.length less than 1, return res.status 401.send, comment should be at least 1 characters. So after this, we are going to check for the post if there is any post in the database with this ID. So const post equals to wait post model dot find by ID, the post ID, and if no post, again just return res dot status 404.send post not found. So after this, I'm going to create a new object here, new comment, and inside the post model, you can see this is our comment right here. It has an underscore ID field, user, text, and date. So I'm going to import the UUID package. We have already installed that. So require UUID, and we are going to use the version 4, so v4. So our underscore ID, we are going to call the UUID package, and the text is going to be the text. So ES6 syntax here. And for the user, we are going to have request.userid from our middleware. And for the date, we're going to have date.now. So now we are going to add this comment to the comments array of the post inside the model. This is a whole post, and inside comments is an array, and we're going to add this comment right here inside that array. So wait post dot comments dot unshift. Unshift will add the element to the start of the array. So new comment here, and then we are going to save the post. So wait post dot save, and I'm going to send the status 200.send comment added. So now let's check if it works. Our route is going to be /API /posts /comment and the post ID here. So back to Postman, I'm going to add the comment to this post right here, second post from Jane-Doe. So let's copy this ID and make a post request. Our route is going to be /API /posts /comment and the post ID. And we are going to send in the text with this. So text, let's add into strings. And this is a comment from Jane-Doe. And let's make this request. And we are getting the unauthorized. So let's check. I think my headers have expired. So I'm going to log in again. Let's log in right here. Our body is here. And let's copy this header again. This token right here. And let's make this request. And you can see right now we get this comment added. So now we're going to make a get request again to get all the posts, and we will see what we get inside the posts. And now this post right here, you can see inside the comments, there is a comment right here, and you can see the user is automatically filled because we populated the data of the comments.user2. So I would recommend you take a screenshot if you want, or you can follow along in the Postman because we are going to use all of this information in the front end. So if you have the data in front of you, it will be easy for you to understand how the layout is going to work. So now back to VS Code, we are going to make a request to delete the comment. And let's add a comment here, delete a comment. It is going to be delete request. And our route is going to be /post ID and the comment ID. And again, it is going to be a protected route, and request and response inside try catch. And again, if there is any error. So first of all, we are going to look for the post. If there is any post with this ID, so post ID. And we are also going to get the comment ID inside our params. So request.params. And also let's destructure out our user ID from the request object. So first of all, again, we are going to find the post. So post await post model dot find by ID and our post ID here. And again, if there is no post, I'm just going to copy it from here. And so now we are going to find for the comment on this post. If there is a comment with this comment ID here, which we are destructuring out from the requester params. So const comment post dot comments dot find and the comment here. So comment dot underscore ID equals to the comment ID here. So now you can see we are not using the toString on this underscore ID here because the underscore ID is a string by default. So if no comment is found, we are going to return res.status 404.send no comment found. But if there is a comment, we are going to check if the comment is made by the user who is trying to delete it. So just like we did in our post when we were deleting the post. So first of all, we are going to find the user, await user model dot find by ID and user ID. So here we are going to check if comment dot user dot toString. So we are using the toString here because the user is an object ID. And if it is not equals to the user ID, the user who is trying to delete this post, again we are going to check if user dot role is equals to root. Only then we are going to proceed, and else we are going to return res.status 401 dot send unauthorized. So if user.role is equals to root, we are going to delete the comment because root user can delete a post and also comment if he wants to. So we're going to find the index of the comment. So const index of post dot comments dot map. Let's give a space here, and comment dot underscore ID and dot index of comment ID. So it will give us the index, and then we are going to wait post dot comments dot splice. The first argument is the index of the number, and the delete count is going to be 1, and then we are going to just save the post. So wait post dot save, and after this I'm just going to return res dot status 200 dot send deleted successfully. So let's give a space here. So we are checking if the user.role is equals to root. We are finding the index of the comment and we are splicing it out, and then we are saving the post. So I'm just going to copy it here. And this condition will only fire when the comment.user is not equals to user ID, and then we are checking if the user.role is equals to root, else we are returning. But if the user who is trying to delete the comment is actually the user who made it, we are going to delete the comment. And if you want, you can create a function here. So const delete comment async, and I'm just going to copy it here. And we are going to await it here. So await delete comment, and also I'm going to remove it from here and await delete comment. So this will work the same, and we do not have any repeated code inside our file here. So now let's check if it works. Inside our postman, our first argument is going to be the post ID and then the comment ID. So I'm going to copy the post ID here and the comment ID, this one right here. Let's add a slash and the comment ID, and it is going to be delete request. And you can see right here we get deleted successfully. So I'm going to make a get request again to get all the posts, and we will see if the comment is there or not. And the comments is an empty array now. So when we are creating a comment here in the post request on comment/post ID, I am sending this status back right here, but I'm going to send this ID back to the front end. So new comment dot underscore ID. And also when we are creating a new post on this route right here /API/posts, I am sending in the post back, but we are going to send in the ID. So for just testing purposes, I was sending the whole post, but when we start working on the layout in the next video, we are only going to receive the ID on the front end. So now in the next video, we're going to start working on rendering out the posts on the front end. So I will see you in the next video.